Which is the best way to manage your tasks? Serving your clients at the best quality and meeting your deadlines, staying productive during the day. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And there are plenty of tools out there to help you to win this marathon. However, Trello and ClickUp has the most extended free plans. But which one to choose? Stay with me. I'm Zsófia of MyProcesses, and I help busy entrepreneurs to automate and outsource their time-consuming tasks without sacrificing the profit. So if you are looking to make the 4-hour workweek a reality or simply avoid burnout, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release a new video like this. In my opinion, if you are just starting with project management tool, you really should start using both Trello and ClickUp to see which one works you better. However, if you don't have time for experimenting, here comes the top 5 lesson I learned by using both Trello and ClickUp. Lesson 1. Simplicity. A new client just came in and me and 2 other colleagues had basically 24 hours to set the whole system up and running. I instantly turned to Trello. I set up a few columns, a dozen of cards, I recorded a little training material on how to use it, and basically we were ready. I tell you, no other tool will ever beat the simplicity of Trello. Lesson 2. The free plan and its limitations. Hey, let's start talking about the money. I truly love that both Trello and ClickUp not just allows you to try it out a little bit, but actually use the tool for free. Even without paying, in Trello you can use 10 boards for cooperation, and for ClickUp you have 5 spaces. You can truly get a lot out of the tools without paying for it. If you decide to go for a paid plan, Trello offers you a $9.99 per month price for the business plan, and ClickUp also has the same price for a business plan. However, it has a middle package for $5 per month. You have to know that both tools charges per member. Lesson 3. Kanban view. Kanban basically means that you can move the tasks, the cards, between different columns. And Trello is the king of Kanban view. But what about other boards, other options? Trello doesn't have any. However, ClickUp offers you the option to try mind maps, tasks lists, timelines, even calendar view can be set up easily. Ironically, it's not easy to edit the Kanban view in ClickUp. You have to go to the space settings and change the name and the order of the columns there. Meanwhile, in Trello, you can just easily drag and drop the columns wherever you want. Lesson 4. Assigning tasks. In Trello, you can add users to a card and also a deadline for a card. But what happens if more than one person is added to a card? Who will be accountable? How can you filter on who is working on what, who is doing what? ClickUp offers such a features. For example, you can filter on an assignee, see which team member is working on what task, and also what are the deadlines, what has been a time spent on the tasks, and different reports. So if you have a more complex project, definitely turn to ClickUp. Lesson 5. Task dependencies. For example, in my YouTube project, I have to wait before I start writing the script of the video until my keyword researcher sends me the best keywords. Also, my video editor cannot work on the video editing until I uploaded the raw video. Or my YouTube channel manager cannot upload the video into YouTube until it is edited by the YouTube video editor. This all is called task dependencies that is there for every project. In Trello, you have to keep in mind all these task dependencies that can be risky and it can create confusion. However, in ClickUp, it's possible to create such task dependencies, and the program also notifies you if a dependent task is already solved, so you can work on the other. Genius, right? If you need a simple start and easy ways of working, sign up for Trello. However, if you have a lot of team members and different complex projects, I recommend you to invest the time and even the money in ClickUp. If you want to learn more about project management tools, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, stop firefighting and be the creator of your company.